If you've got inner knee pain, this is the video for you. I'm gonna walk you through what I have found to be the most effective and quick way to reduce that inner knee pain, and it's called cupping. A lot of people will think this is quackery, and truthfully, I did too until I started seeing some of my colleagues use it on their patients, and we saw really good results. And then I started using it on my patients and have found continually great results. So I'm gonna provide a link on where you can get these in the description below. They're typically around $20 to $30. You're gonna apply some lotion on the inside of your knee, and your quadricep muscle is right here. And the part of the quadricep muscle that we're gonna be cupping is called your vastus medialis oblique. It's right here. Right below your knee joint line, you have something called your pes anserines bursitis, or bursa. And a lot of people will get bursitis in that area, and you can get inflammation and a lot of pain, which can tend to feel like inner knee pain. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna cup this area. We're gonna cup that quad. We're gonna give about 2.5 pumps. And then we're gonna do some pumps down here right over that pes anserines. We'll see if it'll stay put. And then what I'm gonna do, and this doesn't feel good, by the way, this is gonna hurt. I'm gonna move my leg back and forth while those cups are on there. Now, I'm gonna try to get moving with those cups on there, and what we're trying to do is break up any adhesions in that tissue. Now, you don't wanna do this if you have an open wound, if you've got diabetes, you've got a blood condition, or you're on blood thinners, because ultimately you're going to be having a large amount of blood that pools in this area, and if you already have a blood condition or an infection, you don't want to exacerbate that and make it worse. But majority of people are going to be completely safe and fine doing this in this area. Now, what you're going to do with those cups on is you're going to start doing small little squats. You're just trying to get that area moving. Those cups are still on there. It doesn't feel great. You can do a bunch of squats. You can just bend that leg back and forth. It's pretty gnarly. I'm gonna do that for about 2 to 3 minutes. And I wanna pay attention to the color. Now, if you notice, it's starting to turn a darker color, and that's fine. We want that. We want more blood flow in the area. More blood flow is gonna cause more oxygen, more nutrients in the area, and expedite your healing. But what we don't want is it to change a dark purple color, because if it starts doing that, then we've over-irritated that area, and it's gonna cause you more pain than necessary. So once again, moving for 2 to 3 minutes, keep that puppy moving. Take them off by pulling up on that blue clip, and then start moving. Your leg's gonna feel a lot more loose. And then whatever was causing your knee pain before, whether it's going up or down stairs, try doing it again and see if it reduced your pain. If you guys want more tips and tricks on how to reduce your knee pain, just watch our other videos. I have a lot of exercises in there that can help you and hopefully take away some of that discomfort. You guys have a great rest of the day.